Welcome back to Clark's Star Culinary. Today we're making some wonderful oven curry fries. Alright, we're going to start with 8 clean regular sized potatoes, and you can peel your potatoes if you like, and just slice them into wedges. Remove the husk from 4 cloves of garlic, and you'll also need a small piece of turmeric. And we're going to grind that down into a paste. And put the paste over into the potatoes. Add salt and pepper to taste. Half a teaspoon of garlic powder. 1 tablespoon of curry spice. And 3 tablespoons of oil. Mix until all the potatoes are coated with the seasoning. Have your oven set to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Line the potatoes on a pan covered with parchment paper. Place them in the oven for 1 hour and 15 minutes. And once they're done, enjoy. I hope you all enjoy this video. If so, give us a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the notification icon so that you can be notified of our next video upload. Until next time, bye-bye.